Hey collectors, welcome back. A Tarmac Works presents the first 993 remastered by Gunther Werks. It will come with a display base and acrylic cover, so pre-order has already been started. An iconic rally model. Introducing the Hobby 64 plus Ford RS200 Lombard RAC Rally 1986 with a detachable rear bonnet as well as engine details. A Ferrari GT 1:64 Magazine Limited Edition Asia Edition presents a Ferrari Daytona SP3 2021, a Ferrari Monza SP2 2018, and a Ferrari SF90 Stradale 2019. The all-new upcoming carbon fiber edition of a Pagani Imola will be in a display base and acrylic cover. The first Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution was a crucial part of a company's long rally history. So here's a Rally Monte Carlo 1993 version. You can pre-order it via authorized resellers. A Toyota Racing Department (TRD) is a Toyota's in-house division for developing tuning parts and tech for its road cars. So here's a TRD livery with a Toyota Hiace and is now available for pre-ordering via authorized resellers. Pre-order this J Collection 1:64 scale model of a Nissan GTR R32. The Asia Cross Country Rally AXCR is a championship, and this is a Toyota Hilux with a Falcon livery that participated back in 2017. This model will come in a plastic truck packaging as a transporter truck of this Hilux. Introducing the newest Hobby 64 Plus tooling, and it's another rally legend, the Ford RS200. The Mitsubishi Fuso Canter mobile display truck in a 1:64 scale model. Introducing the flagship sedan by Mercedes-Benz, the S55 AMG, in a Global 64 version in a 1:64 scale model. The RWB 997 in a hot pink color. So here's a red LM version in a 1:64 scale model. The official collab of a Toyota GR86 with the HKS Japan. The all-new AMG GT Black Series in a new metallic silver version. A Tarmac Works X Global 64 presents a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 1 RS. The all-new Tarmac Works X Global 64 presents a Koenigsegg CC850 in orange. Pre-order this campaign ready Toyota Hilux with accessories. The all-new upcoming model has an old and new 997. Insanely new, the cool Toyota Hiace. The air-cooled with the grey tones. Pre-order has begun for this 993 remastered by Gunther Werks.